Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this ornament with an owl on it, and I'm a little bit confused, but I think I've figured it out what he wants to do. He's using green lines for rastering or for engraving, and I think they were actually hair lines, and that to me will not work. I know you could do color mapping. Let's just see what these lines are. See, they're green hairlines. My laser will not engrave anything as a hairline. It will only cut. And the other problem, he has some round circles. And to me, that's going to cut completely out, and you're going to have a C shape in there. So I've removed those, and I've also taken out for the ribbon to go through, I made a hoop. Because when you turn the wood over, you have to have something to index the wood back in that hole. So this is the way I would do it. And I'll send you this file, and hopefully I'm right. I've got my ornament is like, when another thing and just for you, your circle is not perfectly round, so when you flip it, that might have been one of your problems. But this is to me, the easiest way to do it. I've got a piece of wood in my laser, and I've marked these two blue deals for like blue painter's tape to hold the wood down and to remind you not to move it. And then you're going to run this job. First of all, you need to make a duplicate of that and Control D and move it off the screen. And just for grins, we'll move this one off the screen because the laser is only going to do stuff that's on the screen. So you're going to run this job as a combination job, and if your laser doesn't have a combination job, you're going to rasper these lines, engrave them, and then you're going to cut everything out. Okay? Then you're going to remove that piece from the laser. Okay? Let's just move it to the right. And then you're going to bring in, and that's why you want your nudge distance set. Now we're going to flip this thing the other way because you're going to turn the ornament over, and you can nudge it right back into that hole. And this loop has helped you center it. It's helped you index it. I mean, right on the money. And you can see I made an outline of this to kind of show you what you're going to have left. But I guarantee this will work. So let's just try this. Let's just flip this. And let's put the original right back. And they're right on top of each other. So what's happening, he's going to be an engrave on both sides of the owl, basically. So to cut it out, and from both sides it'll look identical. Matter of fact, let's just flip it. So this is what he's going to have as an ornament. It's a pretty cool idea. I kind of like that idea. I never had thought about. I've done some double-sided stuff, but never really done double-sided one cutting and engraving. Anyway, so I hope I answered his question, and thank you for watching.